In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok for beginners. We'll walk through the core features so you can start getting useful answers, creative outputs, and an organized workflow in just a few minutes. Begin by heading to the Grok website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a clean layout with several options along the top and center. This is your launchpad for everything we'll cover. Start with search. Click the search option to query the web right from Grok's interface. This is great for quick facts, up-to-date information, and links to sources. Type what you're looking for, like a definition, a comparison, or a current event, and review the summarized results. If you need more depth, refine your query with a clearer objective or a time frame, and scan any citations Grok provides so you can verify details. Next, move into Chat. Click Chat to open the conversational workspace. This is where you can ask multi-step questions, brainstorm, or get help drafting emails, outlines, and explanations. Place your cursor in the message box and type your prompt. Be specific about your goal, your audience, and your constraints. For example, ask for a 3-paragraph overview or request bullet-free prose if you prefer narrative text. If the first answer isn't quite right, follow up in the same thread to clarify tone, length, or structure. The context helps Grok refine its response. If you prefer hands-free interaction, click Voice. Grant your browser microphone access if prompted, then speak naturally. Voice mode is useful when you want fast back and forth or when you're multitasking. For best results, keep background noise low and state your intent up front, like summarize this article in 2 sentences or explain this concept at a beginner level. For visual creativity, click Imagine. Here, describe the image you want with clear details: subject, style, lighting, colors, and mood. The more concrete your description, the closer the results will match your vision. If the first output isn't perfect, tweak your prompt by adjusting style terms or focusing on the most important elements. To keep your work tidy, open projects. Use this space to group related chats, searches, and creative outputs so everything for a task or client lives together. Clear project names and brief notes will save you time later. Finally, visit history. Here you can revisit previous sessions, copy answers, reuse prompts that worked well, and see how your queries evolved. It's a simple way to build on past work without starting from scratch. That's the essentials. Start at the homepage, explore search and chat, try voice and imagine, then organize with projects and review in history. Pause the video and try each feature as you go, and you'll be productive with Grok in no time.